Oh, we're starting right now, Rose?
Yeah.
Hiya beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Segen, and in today's video, we are going to get a haircut. If you watched Sunday's vlog, then you know it was time for a haircut. So I'm gonna be bringing you guys along with me to get my haircut, and I'm gonna be linking all of the products that I use in the description box below. So make sure you guys look out for that. But before we get started, I wanna give a major shout out to the following people right over here. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot. If you want a shout out like them, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, comment down below that you're new, and I'll give you a shout out on my next video. I upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, so make sure you also click that bell notification. That way you're notified every single time I drop a video on my channel. All right, so without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Oh my God. Oh, ow. So just a little bit, nothing crazy. Oh, we're starting right now, Rose?
Yeah.
Not the most flattering angle. Oh my God, it's giving... I look like my 12-year-old cousin. By 12-year-old cousin, I mean like a boy. I swear to God. Oh my God. I can't even look at myself in the viewfinder. All right, Rose. Is my hair growing? Mm-hmm. You heard it first. Rose said it. I don't know. There's no nerves with this hair, but it's like every time I cut it, it's not like I get sad, but it's like, ah. It's so much hair up top.
Because it grew.
And it grew, yeah.
Have you come here on a Saturday?
I have.
It was her birthday.
Have you seen me on a Saturday?
There's no way that you're always off on a Saturday.
There's no way I'm here on a Saturday. If you see me, you see a ghost.
Really?
I'm telling you, not me. That one is here on a Saturday, not me. And Sophie, when Sophie was here. I've never been here on a Saturday. If you say you see me here on a Saturday, you see a goddamn ghost.
Well,
Saturday. She doesn't work on Saturdays. I don't know if you got
I've never
that.
been here on a Saturday.
It's giving summertime. It's giving my girl just needs to condition her hair when she gets home. Run a few waves on it. Anyways, I'm going to head back home, style my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys all the products that I use. I'm also, sorry, there's just a lot of hair everywhere. I'm gonna head home, style my hair, and I'll be right back. So this is what the hair looks like. We went shorter. I went a lot shorter than I did in June, which was the last time I cut my hair. But I just know that it does grow back really quickly. If you guys watched my Sunday vlog, I shared this hair mask with you guys. If you're in the market to grow your hair, get this hair mask and get this oil. It's from the same line. It will grow your hair really quickly. Now, I like to use this oil just kind of around like my hair, like in the scalp. I want to show you guys how I style it. So I'm gonna start off with spritzing some water And the next thing that I'm gonna do is grab the Extreme Pro Hair Gel. I'll leave all the links to all the products in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. Now that my hair is like a lot shorter, I don't necessarily need a lot of product, which is good. But I like to grab some gel, and I like to add just a little bit of water so it's easier to kind of like manage. Kind of like to do that. Once that's done, I like to kind of comb it out with the fine-tooth comb. You can also use a brush if you like, depending on how thick your hair is. My hair is on the thinner side, so I like to use a fine-tooth comb for it. And I'm just going to kind of see where I want to part it, you know what I mean? The next thing that I'm gonna use, I know my hair looks sweet, but anyways, the next thing I'm gonna use is the Lotta Body Foaming Mousse. And I like to use a lot of this because it helps with like the waves and styling my hair. So I like to kind of just go in like that. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just grab that fine tooth comb, and I'm gonna slowly start bringing the hair forwards and then backwards like that. If you guys ever have like done baby hairs before, it's literally the same thing except you're doing it on your entire head. So you're just combing the hair forward and then swooping backwards. So that's one wave. It's kind of hard to see with the foam, but it's fine. Once it all sets and whatnot, we'll see what it'll look like. And I like to do that to the second wave. Depending on your hair, you can have 3 waves. I sometimes like to do 3, depending on like my patience or how much time I have to get ready. And then my girl took off a little too much because I do like the sideburn, but it's gonna grow soon. I do like a little swoop. It reminds me of like the 90s kind of supermodel vibe. But yeah, and then the rest, like the tail of like the wave, I just kind of like bring it back right over here. Okay? So the next thing I like to do is I like to ignore the front piece just for now, like this part. I like to ignore. And then I like to do the same thing we did on that side to this side. And then the front piece, I'll just kind of like swoop. Just like that. It does get a bit wavy, which is fine. Oh, and this is what this side looks like. So I have like 2 mini waves and then the big kind of part right over here. And then it will all just kind of flatten out when I put some hairspray and wrap it up. Any extra product that lands on my forehead, I just like to take and put it back in my hair. And then, I've said this before in past videos, but when it comes to the back, it's just a vibe, honestly. Like it's just like this. I don't know what it looks like. I'm just kind of hoping it looks good. But it's just really a vibe, essentially. That's all. So this is what the hair looks like. Again, the front piece is a bit stubborn because it'll just quickly curl up. So I like to make sure I flatten it out as much as I can. Put some hairspray. This one is by Aussie, but I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't recommend this one. This is just because I ran out of the Got2b glue free spray. That is the best one in my opinion, but I am gonna use this because this is what I have. I'm gonna link the Got2b free spray down below. I wouldn't recommend this at all. So take your hairspray and just spray that around. And then I'm gonna get my head wrap. We're gonna set it and forget it. So at this point, I'm just going to let the hair dry, but in the meantime, I'm just going to wash my face. I did get a lot of hair product on like my face, so I'm just gonna rinse it out, put my skincare on, do my makeup, put on my outfit for the day. And then by that time, the hair is nice and dried, and then I like to put on one last product before I go to make it like nice and shiny. But let me put on some makeup, let me put on my outfit, and I'll be right back. So I just took off the head wrap, so this is what my hair looks like. The last step that I like to do to kind of make it like pop and make it shiny is using this hairspray. This is by ORS, the Olive Oil Nourishing Sheen Spray. I've talked about this on my channel before, but you can also use this for like your wigs, like your natural hair. It just gives it a bit of like a shine. So I kind of like it because I like to like turn around like and pop, the waves are swimming. So I'm just going to spray that all over. It's a light, pleasant smell and I kind of like it. I personally love when my hair, especially on the back, isn't giving that hang time. I kind of like that hang time look, but it was just giving mohawk, so it was time for a haircut. But let me know what you guys think. I also have a question for you guys. Let me know in the comments if I should color my hair. I'm looking at blonde, I'm looking at red, but I don't know. Let me know if I should color my hair in the comment section down below. I'd love to know what you guys think, or maybe I should just keep it black. I don't know. Because black is kind of giving the classy look. But I don't know, I kind of want to do something fun, probably before the summer ends. Like, I don't know. I'm also thinking ginger. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you want a shout out, all you have to do is let me know that you're new to the channel in the comment section down below, and I'll give you a shout out on my next video. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next upload.